Recently in one of my YouTube Shorts videos, I promised I would do a full review on the Eastwood Paintless Dent Removal Kit. So I picked up this Paintless Dent Removal Kit from Eastwood, and I'm going to give it a shot. So this kit comes with instructions, glue sticks, glue gun, slide hammer. This is another tool for slowly pulling out dings, some alcohol, a scraper, and plastic tips for the slide hammer and the other dent removal tool. These get hot glued to the actual ding in the car. So we have a small ding here and another one right there. Little one right here. If you can see that, it's kind of hard to see it on camera. Back's good. Have another one right here. Has some touch-up paint in it. And have one right here. So those are the dings that we're going to try to pull out. They're all little ones. We'll see how this thing does. I'm going to clean the area with some glass cleaner. So I have a nice clean surface for the glue to stick to. The kit comes with a selection of both round and oval tips. So you want to try to find the one that best fits the ding that you're going to be pulling out. Now this one is probably a little bit big for this, but this is the smallest oval one that comes with the kit. So this is one I'm going to be starting with, and then I'll probably work my way down to maybe a smaller round one if I need to pull that out a little bit more. I'm just going to be careful when I put glue on this that I'm only going to be putting a little bit on here in the center, so it's not going to go all the way out to the edges just because this ding is just a little bit smaller. I'm going to be using this tool. So how it works is once this is glued onto the car, then you slide this on like that and squeeze just like that, and then you can actually adjust how far in or out this is going to pull by turning this knob at the top of the tool. All right, it's still there, just a little bit. Definitely pulled it out some. We're gonna do it one more time, and then we should be good to go. Almost there. One more. You can barely see it on camera, but it's slightly there. I'm going to use the smallest one that they provide, and I'm going to do it in 2 spots because I think the one that I was using is just too big and it's pulling around the dent instead of right in the center. Okay. Pretty much out. We'll work on the next one right above it. We got this little guy right here. Wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And if you like the information that I provide on my channel, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more information that I hope will be useful in any projects that you might be working on at home.